Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, what it is and why everybody can be doing it if they want to. But don't confuse it with being a sales rep, like a salesman selling cars or a pharmaceutical rep going around doctors' consulting rooms or even a travel agent. Don't confuse that with being an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer only works by getting commissions. Yes, a sales rep does that too. But an affiliate marketer is mostly online. In fact, I don't know if there's any affiliate marketers that aren't online. It means that you can use the power of the internet. All the people on the internet are there. You have to find out where to get them. You have to use your targeting. You do have to find them, but you're wide open. The whole world, people of all ages, all backgrounds. There's the huge, huge availability out there for you to market to. So, affiliate marketing. Yes, you're selling and promoting other people's stuff, and you're getting a commission for doing it. There are several ways of becoming an affiliate marketer. So, one way is to just sign up with a company and start selling their ClickBank products, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and then you'll just go to market the next new one, and the next new one, and the next new one. But you have to be sure of what you're selling. You have to be thinking, is this actually of benefit? Who's it of benefit to? And how can I sell it? What can I use? What vehicle am I using to sell it? Am I going to use social media? Am I going to use the safe listing traffic exchanges? Am I going to use email marketing? Am I going to do solo ads? They are the biggest options. That's one way of doing your affiliate marketing. And I know some people who are very, very successful. That's all they do. That's all they do. Might create a video, but that is all they do. They market those products through those organizations. Another way of doing it is by selling products that other people use, like that other marketers use, like promoting an autoresponder, because most marketers online need an autoresponder. That's your email system for sending out emails to massive numbers of people and tracking your open rates, click rates, and all those statistics. So online marketers do need an autoresponder. So you could be marketing an autoresponder and getting commissions on it. You could be marketing the tracking software that this marketer is using, making commissions on it. You could be marketing a website creator, a platform, a hosting platform. They're all things that a marketer will need, or an online business will need. So you could be marketing those. And then there is the affiliate system marketers. Now, when you join a company that is one of these systems, it's already put in place. I mean, it has front end offers and then higher offers, more, gradually more value and more is done for you and less is done with you. And then, so if you start at the start, you're going to get something maybe for $7. That's the front end. And then you'll get offered something else. Then you get offered a membership, which is more. And then you might offer something to have it all set up for you and run on autopilot. You're going to pay more for that. That's what you call your higher ticket offers. So whenever you start promoting, you will get commissions based on a percentage of what you sell. And that percentage will be based on what level you're at. So you can't sell the top end offer if you're not there yourself. You can't promote it if you haven't done it. You know what I mean? You have to know what you're talking about. That is the beauty of promoting those systems, is you know what you're talking about and you can help other people get through it, which is exactly what I'm doing. I help people who are at each stage on the track. So this video I'm doing here, this Facebook Live based video, is right at the start for people who are just getting started, because affiliate marketing, what is it? So I've explained to you that there's several types. I've explained to you what I'm doing, and I hope that means that you know that you can ask me any questions that you might have if you're on the same path. Because when people are on the same path, that's when they can support each other the best. Because I've been on this path for nearly 2 years now. And I can't look back and go, oh my God, could I remember whenever I just discovered how to do that? And oh God, I had such trouble with that in the past. You do forget. You forget the struggles because you're so busy getting on, getting on, getting on, getting on. Just keep going forward. So whenever, but if you ask a question, I'll know where to find the answer. That's not a problem. What I wanted to do was just go through what is basically the mantra of one of the companies that I do promote. I totally believe in their system. It is a system that is proven to work for people who are brand new to internet marketing, who are a bit technologically challenged, shall we say, or technophobes, people who will get stuck and who do need questions answered pretty much all the time. This system works for people who have been in the industry for a long time too. The only difference is that they've probably already got a list of followers, an email list that they send emails to, that they can then promote this opportunity to a lot faster. That's all the difference is, but it works for all sorts of people. There's a lot of people coming into this system who are retired and are finding that their retirement, their pension is just not going to cut it. The amount of money that they've left to live on is not enough for what they want to do with the rest of their life. And they're still young, still, wanting to get the most out of their time. Or people like me who just cannot work the 9 to 5. I can't work the 9 to 5 because of my disability, and I need to work when I have the energy to work. And it's just unpredictable for me. So working for myself is the best option for me. And there's mothers who don't want to go back to work full time, or to do something at home. And there's fathers who want to do something part time at home. The list is endless. There's there's young ones who have dropped out of college because they think, why should I pay thousands and thousands and thousands for a college qualification when there aren't any jobs? Those things are happening all the time. There's all sorts of people coming into this system. This system is for super affiliates. These are people who are committed and know what they want out of life, and they're going to get it. They're a new breed of internet marketers. They're the ones who know that it's an ulterior way to earn an income, an alternative way to earn an income and support yourself. They are the ones that look for the future, and they don't look for the future in 50 years' time or 40 years' time, thinking, oh, then I'll retire and then I'll be on a pension and then everything will be rosy. No, they're looking for the future that they can create starting now. Starting now. And they're also looking at how they can help other people do the same. They understand that leaders are built, not born. Lead by example. That's the best way. That's why I'm saying about ask me the questions, because I've been there. I've been through it. I know the pitfalls. I've been over those hurdles. I found those shiny objects and threw them in the bin. I know what things work and what things don't. Where all the dead ends are in the maze, you need some help to get through it. I'm telling you, you will get stuck and you'll have to go backwards quite a few times. So super affiliates never, they always put ethics and integrity above the quick money and the fast cash. We never go for the fast fixes, the band-aids, the patch over the cracks options, because those cracks will just grow. We know that excuses do not work. Never make excuses. Always give back to people. Don't stand on people on your way up, because they'll be looking at you when you're back on the way down again. Don't do that. Take action daily. It means don't sit and hope that things are just going to happen for you. Yes, you can plug into a system and the system will do some work, but you have to put the work in first, or else you will be the weak link. You can't be the weak link. You have to have it all set up and you have to keep it. You have to guide it. That's where I was talking about tracking before. You have to keep an eye on it. You have to monitor it. You have to make sure it's working. Because if you turn a blind eye, you could end up throwing the money down the toilet. Affiliate marketing is a skill. Marketing is a skill. You will find a way of marketing that suits you. You will find a way to increase your effectiveness in a way that suits you, whether it's social media, email marketing, solo ads, video marketing. You'll find something that you can do well, and that actually reaches people, and people engage with you, and people want to listen more to you and listen to you, hear from you, read your emails, and find out what you're doing and what you're using. You have to focus on the whole picture. The whole picture. Because when you're a super affiliate, you can change people's lives. If it changes your life, you show them how it changed your life, and then you show them how to do it the best way. And as I said, you need to be in the right position in the company that you're promoting. If you're in a system, you need to be in the right place, in the right position, because you can't talk about something with confidence if you don't know the ins and outs. You can't help anybody with the problems they're going to come across if you haven't experienced them yourself. One of the companies that I'm involved in, when I started, their training modules, there was 21. Then they made some adjustments, and then there was 16. Now there's 15. That doesn't mean things have been cut out. It actually means that everything has been made better. Everything has been optimized. That's a word that you'll find used a lot in affiliate marketing. Optimized. That's what you need to do to your marketing. It's what you need to do to your time. It's what you do, make it better, make it more effective. Optimize it. Optimize it through your tracking. Analyze everything. What's working? Do more of it. Not spin it. That's the simple way of thinking about it. Optimize it every day. Don't take your eye off the ball. Keep watching. And you'll get there. And ask for the help. Ask for the support. Ask the questions. Most systems, most companies have Facebook groups that you can tap into. And there's always Facebook forums on general topics and that. But when you're there, find out who's answering the questions and connect with them, because they're the people that you need to make connections with. Send them a friend request. Go onto their page, send them a message. That's the beauty of the internet. You're building connections in your online business. Just closing some notifications here. And as you get more and more confident, then, like me, you can create your own Facebook group. You can invite people to join it, because my Facebook group is members only. And then you can build your own little group of people who are there to support each other. And if they're all at different levels, on that ladder I was talking to you about, but in the front end being higher levels, higher up, then you know where everybody else is going, because you've been there. And it is a really easy way to do business. Just talking to people, sharing your stories, sharing your experience. So I hope this has been useful to you, this little video on affiliate marketing. If you want to discuss something else in my next week's Q&A, just send me a comment with your question. And you can like my Facebook page. You'll get notified of my next live videos. And I'll put it on Facebook, and you can like and comment there as well. And subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get more notifications. And if you look, you will see links in the description of the companies that I promote and that I use, because they are ethical and valuable. So I've been Teresa Morrison. This has been a little Facebook Live, and bye for now.